Trevor wants to fill in the two blanks in the numeral 5-1-2 to create a 5-digit positive integer that is divisible by 6. What is the greatest 5-digit multiple of 6 that he can create? So the first thing to note is that this number, to make it divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by 3 and 2. So it is already divisible by 2 because it's an even number. So I wrote it as 2 in the end, but it's an even number, so it's it's already divisible by 2. So the next thing we have to do is just to find digits so that this number is divisible by 3. So to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits have to be divisible by 3. So we have to add the numbers, to make it the greatest possible number. Both the digits that you can add, are 9 and 9. So you can make it 59192. So 59192 would be the greatest possible or the highest possible digit. But is it a multiple of 6? It is a multiple of 2. It is a multiple of 3. So we add the digits, and if you add them, you get 26. So it's not divisible by 3. So therefore, to make it divisible by 3, we have to reduce it. We have to change the digits. So if I were to change, so I change this 9 to 7. So if I change the 9 to 7, because it has to be, you have to bear in mind that it has to be the greatest. If I change any other digit, which I could have changed this 9 as well, and but if I change it, the most I can do to make it highest is to change the 9 to 7. I can't make it any less. Then it will be lower. It would not be the greatest multiple of 6 that this person Trevor can write. So 59172 is a multiple of 6, because if you add up the digits 5 and 9, 14, 15 and 7 is 22, plus 2 is 24, and that is a multiple of 3, and so 59172 is the number that he should write.